boring day ahead. I'm doing admin. Computer admin and rental admin. I'm just sorting out my life. I'm lying on a pack of veg because I've twisted my back. Fuck. It hurts so much. Here we go. Let's do this as glamorously. Fuck. Ooh. So, whoever said admin's the safe and easy job to do clearly has never worked or done admin with me. God, that's so painful. It looks like a literal bomb has gone off in my room. Holy crap. But here we go. Veg back in the freezer. I'm in so much pain. I'm going to go to the pharmacy and get like some ibuprofen gel stuff for this. Fuck, I've proper fucked it up. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Also, I have definitely done a lot of collating of my shit into one space.